Welcome back, guys, to the channel. My name's Bryce, and yeah, we're gonna be playing Madden 24 today. The old gen, not new gen, because I like the new old gen better. I'll tell you in a minute. But first off, Happy New Year's, everyone. Again, late New Year's. But anyways, I know you guys want me to do JI3 IP some more, so I built my channel on that. I have my friend is gonna be doing. A friend's gonna be opening a GTA 5 RP server within a few weeks, and I might make videos on that. Don't worry, I'm gonna still have JR3 because I want to still make JR3 videos, but I'm just waiting for the update for JR3. And anyways, I'm gonna explain what I'm doing here. Also, before this, I recorded a whole intro and realized I was recording, but I had no audio. So I have to restart all the audio. But today we're gonna make a series. We're gonna make a series where I have to rebuild this terrible team. It's like technically the highest people is our 71 overall wide receivers. If you don't count our kicker and punt returner, he's the same guy. I don't know why he's an 80, so technically he's the highest. But yeah, that's all. So that explains. Also, I'm gonna have the rules up here. I'm gonna put it on screen because I want to explain them all. All I want to say, the series ends after I win 3 Super Bowls in a row. I have to get a three-peat to end this series. That's when the series ends. And yeah, it's difficult with those challenges, as those rules I'm gonna have to abide by. First off, what I must do, I actually forgot I must do something. But first, I want to tell you why I love this rosters, because I have a custom rosters with made people, and here's at least 2 of the made people, because I don't want to show you what. I wanted to be surprised when we go against them. But 98, 99 speed, 99 acceleration, 99 agility. Oh, he's 455 pounds, X Factor. Oh man, this is not going to be fun. JT Jackson's a tight end. He was originally a wide receiver. I just switched him to tight end because he's way better at tight end. 82 speed, nothing good on speed, but his catching and jumping abilities to get up there, and he's also tall. He is exactly 7 foot, 256 pounds. So he's gonna be a problem. Here's the top few players, so you can check them out. See where top players went. Let me know. Did your team draft any good players that you like? Let me know. You can pause and go back and see who got it. I know people's gonna be mad about some things. Tell me what you're mad about though as well. We're in the game now though. Let's see what we can do, shall we? Ooh, that's perfect accuracy. Interesting. Might be holding. So I'm gonna take that. Oh. Let's see what we can do. We're gonna play the first game. See if I can win. Already first down. Don't think we're gonna win one game. Can't even tackle. 17 last season. It's gonna be like one of the biggest drop-offs ever. Wide open. Just realized they had Fred Bass, a rookie, one of the main players, 98 speed, 90 strength, 90 agility, 92. Yeah, he's gonna be a beast. Devin Singletary, they have a Monra too. Interesting. Anybody left ends? Nope. Don't think they have anybody made else. Yeah, just wanted to share that. Right down the gut. Can't tackle. Nobody can. Don't like that. Don't like this matchup. Oh, couldn't. That's an easy touchdown for him. But middle linebacker couldn't keep up. Never. You're about to watch me. Okay, first play. That's holding again. Bruh. Already. That's great. The first play. Well, that's the first play of the series. Welcome to the series, everybody. We must. Welcome. Alrighty, 2nd and 27. That's not good. Let's hope we can pass at least. Oh, he's a left quarterback. Incomplete too. Oh, we're gonna have to punt. But hold it. He got it. First down and more. Who's you? Never mind. Didn't even get yards. So I guess you guys are happy. I know you guys want me to lose. You always wanted me to lose, probably. I know, knowing you, you like watching us lose when we lose. Oh my goodness. Do I go for it? Do I go for it? I'm going for it. Already. You guys hit when they threw it? No. X Factor there. I forgot about that. Oh, he has pass protection. Like that doesn't matter. Bro, he can't tackle. Oh my goodness. Long series, isn't it? I read that one all the way. Probably running it again. They're passing it. Bass is gonna run it. He's gonna throw it. He caught it. Wow. Absolute broken coverage. Unbelievable. Burned him on a slant. Yeah, this guy, left-handed quarterback, doesn't have fast release. Almost a pick. I'm gonna probably punt this ball. We're never punting it again, I tell you. That's... Wow. Realize that. That's sad. Blitz. Doesn't work. Oh, he's sacked. X Factor's out. Oh, he's not gonna get the playoff. The clock's gonna run out. Never mind. They're gonna get a field goal. They're going up by 3 possessions. Do we get ball half? I think we do. Hopefully. They're going for it. Interesting. They got it. Oh, never mind. Will it work out? No. He fumbled the ball. Thank goodness. Oh. Fumbled the ball. Oh, it's going to be a long day. It's down by 28. We're not winning this game this year. Cause there might be some people I might want to resign. Because if they did good. That was a terrible throw. I should never threw that. Did I get a first down? McBride. I mean, so bad. Though he did catch it. Wow, I did not mean to throw that. So actually might get points on the season. Never mind. Somebody. And we know. Oh, here comes him. Oh no, here comes Lewis again. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We were driving no longer. I don't know why I'm running. Damn. Dude beat him. Oh, he underthrew him though. Yeah. Oh, he beat him, but I caught it. Bro, tackle. Lyman did not know what he was doing. Caught it. It's just a bloodbath. Go back. So. Did he get it first? He did. Yeah, it's gonna be the end of the... I haven't been doing... I just got one pick. That's it. Guess who got back there again? Son Reddick. Back there again. Man. Just blocking. Just block. Give me a time. There's no... He actually gets some yards out of that. I don't know how that was a complete. I'm not mad. I'm going for it. Oh, well. We might be doomed, guys. Yep. Not enough power. That's going to be a pick 6 too. Oh my. This game's gotten out of hand. What has worked? I have to find what's worked for me. Respect. Got it. What a dart. He was actually doing something good. There's no way he can't. Dude, how can he not make an easier throws, but he can make that throw? Like, that's not... That should not be the case, dude. Put him in. Hit. Have the running back just in case. He overthrew him. Oh no. This might be a pick 6. That's game. Oh. Ugh. 3 picks for the rookie. Not good. 38% completion rating as well. They outgamed us by how much? Practically by 100. I mean, that wasn't bad. I mean, I got 134 passing yards, 8 first downs. And a game that's not with a terrible team. We got more yards total. Like, more, like, we just did terrible. We weren't even in the red zone once. Oh, we were. We were in the end zone. Just wasn't good. Let's sim to regular season, see what's going on. I think we got some people. Hold up. I might have to take out some people because we might have signed some people. Because we just went, unless people just progressed. Yeah, people just progressed. Wow, we have a 70 overall now. 73. So, wow. So, I guess we got some people went up. 73 right here. Yeah. Receivers. One went down. Interesting. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Oh, because he went up. Yeah, 70, 71. Wait, 72, 73. He went up by 1, so he's a 70. This guy is just a 73 in general. Sure. Oh, we allowed 7 points before we scored our first points. They actually scored 18 against the Ravens, then scored 21 against the Rams. Scored 18. Bro. The closest game was against the Rams. That's how does the Rams must be disappointed in themselves because everybody else scored. Oh, even worse. The Titans scored only 24 against us. 4 TDs. Oh my goodness. No, not even 1,000 yards. Not even 1,000 yards. Dwayne McQuib. Dwayne McQuib. I mean, somehow he's got a 2 touchdowns around 100 yards. I mean, that's good. I mean, Xavier Gibson. Somebody needs to get this guy, and I'm probably gonna keep him low key. Xavier Gibson. Like, he's been popping off for this bad of a team. Who just did, middle linebacker, 67 tackles. 8 by, wow, Contavious Street. We might just keep him as well. Contavious Street is getting a non-contract all the way. Did anybody get... Hold the phone. We got a... Oh, wow. Vince Gray and Alaric. Okay. So... good for them, at least. We have 2 picks. I did not expect we would have this much picks. 5, 6, 7 picks. I can take 7 picks. Anybody force the fumble? Fumble yards. Nobody blocked. Nobody got okay, but that doesn't matter. I'm happy about that. Kicker. Wow. Extra points. Wow. Trey Wolf got it. Trey Wolf has actually got points. We got 32. Dead last in offense so far. We're not dead last in defense, though. Who's worse than us in defense? Hold up. Let's make fun of them. No. Actually, let's make fun of this team. My earbud. The Lions. The Lions are worse than... Defense is worse than us. Okay. Oh no, they have a 350-pound, 7-foot running back. I had a feeling. They have Chris Olave. Who do they have as quarterback? Oh. Okay. We might be left end. Anybody on the right end? Chase Young. Oh, okay. Oh, hold up. Oh, okay. Well. Okay, this. Oh, never mind. See. Bro, tackle him. Somebody. Browns. Oh no. Good stop. Just bouncing off our tackle. It's kind of useless. Okay. Wow. You just did that. Okay. Go down the field. Gonna try to hit the quick slant. Did not get enough time. I had A wide open. Oh my goodness. It's picked. We just don't have enough talent. He didn't even go up for it. We need to go for it. Again, I'm not getting the animation. Wow. We're not. I might be doomed. Never mind. I am definitely doomed. I mean, it's just me. It's just a skill issue. It's a skill issue, I tell you. A skill issue. Can he beat him? I don't know. He overthrew him. He was wide open. He overthrew him. Oh, he overthrew him again. This quarterback has a tendency to overthrow things, apparently. Dart. He threw a dart, but he couldn't catch the ball. I mean, that's pick. I didn't see him. And we got a first down. What a management. Did he catch that? He did. Unbelievable play. Safety valve. There's no way. Chase Young is doing everything. Pick was not his fault. That was an unfortunate pick. One of the most greatest plays I've ever seen by a linebacker, right, left, and end make in a while. Like, seriously. Should not. No, he's not getting. Nobody's open. That's a fumble. Big man. He hold up. No way he overthrew that one again, too. Oh, that's a breaker. He was wide open. That would have been a great. That would have been a first down if I had a better quarterback. And then probably a better wide receiver core. Just better team overall. I'm talking about first down. Not first down, I meant yardage makes it an possible first down. We need a score still. That was a disaster. Haven't scored a point. How much total offense we had? 112. 1 rushing yard. 11. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? How much turnovers did we have? Let's check the turnover battle. Wait, what? 7. Dude, Dak didn't even have his best game. It was. Yeah. He had a great game. Chase Young with 5 sacks is crazy. He was everywhere. Guess what? We went 0-17. not. Oh, that's playoff schedule. Interesting. Raiders made it too. Yeah, we came 3 points away from winning a preseason game. That's crazy. Wow. What was our closest game so far? Was blown up against Titans. Titans blown us out. Blown out. We averaged about 10 points per game. That's crazy. 13 points game. That's crazy. Absurd. See what stats happened. Isaac Brooke. Safe to say. Was not good. Running the ball. Dwayne McKay actually did 2.9. 2.9 on the ground. Both of them got 2.9, almost 3 yards per rush against with our O-line. Gibson. Xavier Gibson probably gonna keep his contract. Also, Danny Gray both got 500 plus yards. They both almost got 600 yards. Wait, no. Danny Gray almost got 600 yards. 4 touchdowns though. That's 14 yards per catch. Is good with our O-line. Let's see who did well on the defense. Well, 143 tackles. 136 is crazy by both of our right. Durandre Square probably is gonna have a nice contract. I mean, who got the quarterback the most? Contavious Street is probably gonna also get another contract maybe as well. Contavious Street. And who else? Contavious Street. I forgot who else is gonna get it. Oh, DeAndre Square and Contavious Street. DeAndre Square and Contavious Street. I'm gonna see who. We're gonna look at the playoffs. The Chiefs, the Raiders, the Dolphins, the Titans, the Ravens, the Broncos, the Niners, the Giants, the Cowboys, the Cardinals, the Vikings, the Panthers, Saints, and Jaguars. Interesting. That's hasn't happened yet before me. The Saints nor the Jaguars getting first place. Let's see who makes it to the Super Bowl, shall we? So we're back, and it is gonna be Broncos Cardinals. Interesting there. Broncos blew out the Titans. Jaguars blew out the Raiders. Niners got blown out by the Giants. Cardinals won by 3. Vikings. Cardinals won by 1 point in the 4th. Wow. What a game. Saints took care of business. They won by 7. And then a 6-point game. Was it an overtime? What a game that was. It was an overtime. Ooh, interesting. Both teams. I think there's a made play on this team too. Yeah. Interesting. So it's made players. Who's going to make it? Both rookies. So either way, a rookie wins the Super Bowl. It'll be the first rookie ever to win a Super Bowl. Goes on. The Broncos win. Interesting. I want to see. Oh, wow. Interesting. Deion Flynn had a right season on through the air, through the ground. He had 7 TDs. And then we're gonna look at the Cardinals real quick. I'm probably about to end this video here because 20 picks. Wow, that's a little too much. 2-1 MVP. Black Blight. I don't know who that is. It's a nice throwing character. We definitely did not win Coach of the Year. No, nowhere near. Didn't even win Coach of the Year. Yep, no. Jags won. Okay, let's see what did. But he was on the Dolphins, so I think it might. Dolphins 54-12. Yeah, that guy won Super Bowl practically. He only had 1 touchdown, so he had 55 touchdowns in total. No, yeah. What happened to Patrick Mahomes? I don't know. Trevor Lawrence up there. He had a great game. Jordan Love on the Chiefs had a great game. Trent Fred, another rookie, made player. Baker was hot, almost 5,000 yards. Armand, nearly 5,000 yards. Deion Flint up there. Where's Patrick Mahomes? Pat Mahomes had an alright season. Wow, interesting. Receiving leader. Almost 5,000, 2,000 yards, 24 touchdowns. Interesting. Receiving 1,500 yards, 20 touchdowns. Hunter Renfrow. So random. Hunter Renfrow. What happened to Tyreek Hill? Did alright, actually. That's interesting. Drake Washington. There's Jefferson. Amon-Ra's down here too. George Pickens. Interesting. TJ Hawkinson. Another made character. Stephon Diggs is right here. That's interesting. He's so low. Who had the most tackles? It was Roquan Smith. Who had the most sacks? The rookie did alright. 13 sacks. But 19 sacks by Javon Clowney and 19 by Manuel Garrett is masterclass work. Picks, who had led the NFL. 12! Jalen Johnson got to, I bet you, half of them was against our team. So, safe to say he got Defensive Player of the Year. Did he get touchdowns? No. 12 picks is mad. Get no free agency signings, so... Who did work for us? Of course, we're going to get Xavier Gibson. Gonna give you a player-friendly idea, hopefully. This is a perfect, I can't wait to play. Thank you. I think McCabe is also going to come back. That's for sure. Thanks for the offer. Darn it. He did not want to. So I'm going to get DJ May. Okay, May. Do not care half about these guys. But they start, don't they? I need my kicker. Okay, we're gonna franchise tag you, I guess. Gobi Garrett, you're gonna become still a part of our team. Okay, I'm gonna franchise him. Franchise tagging a running back is crazy work, but we need him. Safety, 64 overall, we need him. That's all I'm gonna resign. We don't need the rest of them, the backups anyways. Free agency, I'm gonna look at the free agency. Can't do anything in free agency, sadly. Man, and there was some good free agents too. That sucks. Oh man, any of those people I would have happily gotten, even if it was normal dead 75 overall, dude. Well, we can't do that. But yeah, anyways, what pick do we have? We don't even have a first round pick, that's right. Well, I'm going to do the draft in the next episode, and then I'm going to continue the rest of the season. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, it's a long one, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm going to continue. 0-17. We need a win next year. We need free agencies. We really need our free agents. 62 is not good. This team won't cut it. Yeah, this team right here won't cut it. Especially against people like, especially with people like this guy. Right, yeah. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. God bless y'all. And I will see you guys in the next video. And hopefully we can win one game so we can get free agency. Hopefully. Also, I'm gonna It's a new year, new goal. Probably gonna try to get 200 subs. Probably 500 subs. Gonna try. So if you like this video, share it, please. Now I would appreciate it. And I hope you guys enjoy. God bless. Peace.